So hello everyone and welcome to DC East Universe, your one-stop shop for all news related to DC. And today we are going to do a live reaction video of the Space Jam trailer. But this is not a DC movie, you all know it. But this is a movie set in the serververse of Warner Bros. And they have used all the IPs, especially the DC IPs, the different Superman, Batman, and different other characters are shown in this trailer. That's why it's a non property actually, but still we are reacting to this video. And today again I have my partner with me, Sriru, and he is also reacting the video with us. And we will do a reaction video to the English trailer first, then to the Hindi trailer, because Warner Bros. Has for the first time has released the trailer officially in the language Hindi. And then we will do a breakdown of the trailer by doing a slow-mo video trailer breakdown. So let's begin. And I just want to say, Srirup, you should speak something, what you want to see in this trailer and what are the things that attracts you the most in the trailer.
Yes, I would like to say that actually, initially, if I tell you, I have watched the trailer before, but as it is not a DC trailer or a DC movie, but then also we are reacting to it because of some of the DC characters which are present here, and yeah, that's all. I don't want to spoil anything, so without any further ado, I should go and start the thing, and here
So
we
let's
are.
begin. Then we will give the Easter eggs and the hidden things which are there on the trailer on the breakdown video.
Sure. Let's start. And thankfully, we have got subtitles.
Basketball camp is next weekend. You got amazing potential on the court, and I can help you get there.
That's not what I want, Dad. You never let me do what I want to do. You never let me just do me.
Hold up, wrong floor. Bet Will Smith ain't got to deal with this.
Dad!
Down! What in the Matrix hell?
Welcome to the space.
Welcome, King James. I am the king of this domain.
This is the serververse.
What'd you do to my son? Where's Dom?
The only way you're getting your son back is if you and I play a little basketball. Pete, send this clown to the rejects.
Wait.
Don't worry.
Toon World.
What is this? Ah! I'm a cartoon?
What's up, Doc?
I need to assemble an elite team to help give my son back.
I know what you're looking for. A dream team. Man, shoot the ball.
Alright,
Let's try that again.
Oh,
definitely will watch this one.
King James.
Welcome to the Space Jam. Introducing the Goon Squad.
You gotta win this game
Let's end this.
and get our son back.
Yikes.
hey.
Classic.
Welcome to the space.
Oh, this was classic.
I'm going old school on his butt.
Oh, Grandma OP.
Welcome to the Space Jam.
Okay, so now we will watch the Hindi trailer.
Yeah,
So
but
please-
before we go through it, I would like Shovik to tell something about the trailer. How did he feel?
No, I will express everything after trailer after watching the Hindi trailer, because I have something which I would like to point out in the Hindi trailer also. And this is the first time we are reacting to a Hindi trailer in our channel, so this is also a first time
Yeah.
event.
Yeah, and not successfully. Why am I telling wrong things? As expected, we have no subtitles for you all, but we will explain it. It is the same as it is in English, you know. So
Yeah, actually, we are from India, so it's our mother language,
yeah.
mother tongue, kind of.
So we understand that, but if you have any problem, then you must comment. Please do like, share, and comment and subscribe.
We will describe every scene from the Hindi trailer as well as also in
Yes,
the
sure.
English trailer.
Sure.
We will no problem.
Sure. So let's jump into it. Here we are.
अगले वीकेंड बास्केटबॉल कैंप है ना, जानते हो तुम में एक अच्छा प्लेयर बनने की काबिलियत है और मैं तुम्हें गाइड कर सकता हूँ।
मैं ये नहीं करना चाहता डैड। मुझे वो करने दो जो मैं करना चाहता हूँ। मुझे जो करना है आप करने नहीं देते।
रुको, ये गलत फ्लोर है। सचिन को तो ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई होगी। ये मैट्रिक्स यहाँ पर कैसे टपक पड़ा?
Welcome to the space.
वेलकम किंग जेम्स। इस दुनिया का किंग मैं हूँ। ये वार्नर ब्रदर्स का सर्वरवर्स है।
बताओ मेरा बेटा कहाँ है डॉन?
बेटा वापस आइए तो यहाँ मेरे साथ छोटा सा बास्केटबॉल गेम खेलना होगा। पीट, इस जोकर को रिजेक्ट्स में पहुंचा दो।
क्या?
Hey. I like this part, you know. I like this part.
मैं कहाँ हूँ? मैं कार्टून बन गया?
क्या हाल है दोस्त?
टॉम को बचाने के लिए मेरी टीम में होंगे सुपरमैन, किंग कॉन्ग।
इससे बेहतर टीम मेरे पास है। एक ड्रीम टीम।
He's the director of Black Panther.
Yeah.
फिर से ट्राई करें प्लीज।
इस जुलाई किंग जेम्स। वेलकम टू द स्पेस जैम। पेश है द गून स्क्वाड।
तुम्हें ये गेम जीतकर
गेम ओवर करते हैं।
हमारे बेटे को वापस लाना होगा।
Welcome to the space jam.
Space Jam, a new legacy.
इसकी नानी को भी नानी याद दिला दूंगी मैं।
Welcome to the space jam.
जल्द ही सिनेमाघरों में।
Actually, these kind of trailers are more fun to watch in Hindi language because they tend to change some of the dialogues in their own way.
Yeah.
Like the last one, इसकी नानी को भी नानी याद दिला दूंगी, मतलब I will teach your grandma what
What the word actually means.
Yeah. So this is a kind of fun, and there was a one funny thing in the English trailer. They just told that welcome King James. This is the server verse, and in the Hindi trailer they have mentioned कि welcome King James, King James. ये Warner Bros का server verse है. So they have already mentioned in the Hindi trailer that this have all the IP from Warner Bros. And we all know that Warner Bros. Actually have lots of IPs like the Scooby-Doo, Pokemon, then they have Looney Tunes, Ben 10. There are too many of them, like the DC mix. Then they have that thing, King Kong, Godzilla, that Monsterverse IP, even the Conjuring verse, the horror verse, Conjuring, Annabelle, those are also those IPs. So they are the Warner Bros. Is the first production house in Hollywood, and they have the biggest range of IPs in Bollywood. Hollywood, sorry. Yes. So they have all mixed that in the same movie in the jam. They have told, and there are lots of Easter egg. I just can't wait. And before going to the breakdown video, I just want to mention one thing, the actor LeBron James, he's actually a basketball player, real life basketball player.
Yeah.
He plays for Miami, Miami Kings or Shark. I don't know what their actual team name is. So pardon me. But he's a real life basketball player, and he have 3 sons. Among them, 2 are also junior basketball players, and they are very successful in their life. So this is actually a real life story mixed with the space Warner Bros. Media, and they have made a film out of that. So
we
it's
can
very
tell that
interesting.
it is a dramatic represent. It would not really sound like it, but I should say that it is a dramatic representation of the real life story.
Yeah, it's a very unique thing. This was actually the Space Jam movie was last May in 1996, where sorry, not B Jordan, Michael Jordan. He was also a basketball player. He has acted in that movie, and he was very good actor. So
nice.
They also wanted him to come back for reprising his role in this movie, but then for some reasons they can't.
They did not afford to do that.
They never got in that path, and then they was thinking of casting Tiger Wood, that golf player Tiger Wood. Then that also don't work out. Then they try to cast Will Smith. That's why they in the trailer they have a Will Smith jokes in the in English trailer, that I think Will Smith don't have to face kind of trouble in his life. And in the Hindi trailer, I think they have mentioned Sachin Tendulkar or Virat Kohli, something like
something like that. Those who don't know, Sachin Tendulkar and Virat Kohli are two, you can say, epic players of this country.
Indian batsman.
They are you can say pioneer. They are pioneer, one of the pioneer.
They are the legends of the game. So very much. And this for the first time, Warner Bros. Has actually released a Hindi trailer, Tamil trailer, and Telugu trailer on the same day when they released the English trailer. So this is showing that Warner Bros. Are very much interested in India, and they are actually working the stuffs out for Indian audience, because we have also watched the movie Godzilla vs Kong in Hindi. And we have enjoyed the movie very much. It was a fantastic movie. The story was very simple, but the action there was fantastic. And you can compare that movie with DC Universe, Batman vs Superman, BVS. So one of the nice videos. That's not our point today. So we will now break down the video. So I will like Sidhu to just play the video very slow. Just change the video setting. Just make it slow.
Okay, so before doing that, I would like to show you something. This is
we
the
will
chart.
do everything. We will do everything.
This is the chart, and you can see at the top they have mentioned Superman, and you can understand what the movie
I just hope at least Henry Cavill shows in this one as a cameo role, as he has also a cameo role in Shazam.
It can be.
There was no head of Henry Cavill, only the body. But I hope here he will show up with all his head and body and everything on a whole. So please go to the first of the video and then just decrease the speed. 0.5. Make it 0.5. Make it 0.5.
Okay, sure.
Okay, so now go there in the starting. Go there on the starting.
I would like to show the cartoon part because I like the most. I like it the most.
In the start. No, go to the start of the video and then start the video. Let it play.
Okay, sure.
Just when I will say stop, you will have to stop it. One thing. Just stop it there.
Sorry. Okay, this happens sometimes.
It's also a comic book genre thing, but not our genre. It's some Marvel stuff. Just one thing. Just mute the video.
Let's
so
do it.
You can see this house. No, pause.
Yeah.
You can see the house here. The house, I think it's kind of resembling the house where the Avengers Tower was in Endgame. You can think of that as like this house looks like a house of Iron Man, the Endgame house.
Yeah.
Look at it. Beautiful location. So now play the video. So we are now here. He's
and if you notice that the boy was also playing something which was related to basketball. in
Yeah,
his
actually,
hands.
he is a game freak. He likes to play basketball on the games, on the mobile games. But his father wants him to play on the real life, and that's he don't want.
Yeah,
That's the
that's
actual
what he
story.
doesn't want.
Yeah, that's the actual story plot. Play the video.
Yeah, sure.
So he said him that you have to play the basketball like me because I am also a basketball player. He's just look here. They are the two sons, and that's his elder son and his younger son, and he just want to just stop the video. Just stop
Yeah,
the video.
sure.
Pause the video. Yeah, he just want to tell his son, younger son, that it's a very good game, basketball. You should definitely play it because I am a legend of the game, and you should definitely try to be some a player like me someday. So he just negotiating with his own son, but his son is not at all interested in playing the game in
Playing,
real. He
yeah.
just like, yeah, he just like to play the match in the phone in the virtual reality. So that is the problem here. So now play the video. Now stop,
This is an important
stop.
part.
Yeah. Now this is a very interesting Easter egg. You can see the name of the floor is actually ALG. ALG. Okay.
Yeah,
So actually this ALG means algorithm.
yeah.
Okay. So this is the floor where they have the server room, and you know that in the server we have the algorithms. So this is a very well sought out video or concept that when you are going into a server verse, you should name the floor as ALG algorithm.
Yeah, it also gives idea to future movies. Yeah.
So now he thinks this is a wrong
Flow.
floor. Then the server room they have gone into, and you can see his boys will now his boy will now
His
lock.
kid is so curious about to know about what is there inside.
Look at one thing. Look at one thing. There is a Easter egg also. Look at the writing on the wall. It's written Warner 3000.
Yeah,
Look, Warner 3000. So this kind of a Easter egg of also of Iron Man. We know that Infinity Endgame dialogue "We love you 3000." So it's also a reference to that. Warner 3000. That Warner Bros loves themselves 3000 like that, something like
it's
that.
detailed. You know, it's detailed, properly detailed. Nice.
So now play the video. Yeah, play the video. Yeah, so he vanishes. Then LeBron James going to search for his son, and now please stop the video here.
Yeah. So
And so there is no subtitles for this sorry for this video.
no, there is no, because this is a Hindi trailer. You know.
Okay, no problem. But actually, in this trailer, in the English trailer, LeBron James told that what the Matrix hell. So there is also a Easter egg there. The word the Matrix is actually a movie of Keanu Reeves. We all know that Matrix is one of the famous action movie or action franchise of Hollywood. So it's a Easter egg that they are referencing to that movie also. So now let's play the trailer again.
Yeah.
Let's proceed. So yeah, and now he is also in the server verse. He's being attracted inside that, and there is the music.
Oh.
Welcome to his jam. That's a very classic music. It's from 1996.
And it's a
movie,
very
of course.
classic shot also. It's beautiful.
Now go slow. Now from there, go slow, go slow, go slow. Pause. You can see Game of Thrones.
Game of Thrones
This is
written
the
there.
this is the art of Game of Thrones. This art belongs to the characters of Game of Thrones because this is a multiverse, serververse like multiverse, different
Yeah.
art, different characters. So this is the art of Game of Thrones. Now proceed. Next one. And now pause. This is the art of the Oz, the Wizard of Oz.
The
It's a
Wizards
very
of Oz. Yes.
It's a classic movie from 1980. We have already seen these characters coming out in the Temple Run game. Temple
Yeah.
Run Oz. We have already played in our childhood. So this is the world of Wizard of Oz, and you can see when he enters into that world, there is a tornado, and he will be going through the tornado. Just play the video. You can see that he will be going through the tornado. Yeah. Look here. That's a tornado. You can see it's a black and white tornado because it was a 1980s movie, a black and white movie. So they have used that same concept out here. So it's very detailed. Look, there is tornado, and now he's finally out there, and
And now
completely.
he's finally out there in front
I
of the
think,
king of that serververse. Yeah, sir.
I think this is his hologramic image, something like a hologram.
It can be, but you don't know. There is a lot of twist left.
Yeah. So now the that's was there, and now you know. I guess everyone knows who this is. Actually, this is the man who is the actually this is the domain, the head domain, and his name is algorithm, not algorithm. His actual name is algorithm, ALG rhythm, and that's ALG in the lift means this man, and he is also War Machine in
Yeah,
Marvel's
in Marvel Universe.
yeah, Cody Rhodes. Yeah, so he is a very famous actor. So now we will play. Now stop.
Yeah,
No, go back.
a little. Yeah.
Now play. Stop. And you can see here it is written matrix. You can see that in the right hand side. It's written matrix MAT. Then the rest on the other side MAT. Then
MAT on the
rest
left
other
and
side.
bottom side.
Yeah. It's a matrix universe. You can see. That's Easter egg also. And now into the Warner Bros. Now play the video.
Yeah,
Just
sure.
go forward. Now pause. Oh yeah, you have missed it. Come on, go. Pause. I will go slightly. Now different or slide. This slide. Now that's the you can see this is the logo of Warner Bros.
Yeah.
Just look at it properly. This is the logo of Warner Bros. Isn't it?
And
The shield.
also I should point out the Warner Bros logo is acting as the shield.
Yeah.
So-
It's actually the center of the verse. It is a central domain, central server,
Yeah.
central. Yeah.
So
now play.
they have actually depicted all the content related to Warner Bros here, and
Yeah.
it makes the film special, for everyone.
Yeah. Now play it again.
Yeah.
So now they are going there, and some dialogues here, and you just want
And
to
this
catch
was
him that
nice.
he
This
can't-
was cool. This was cool.
I don't know which character is this. I have never seen him. I think this is an actual character now from this movie. So now play it.
Can
play
be.
it again. And now there are some more Easter eggs. You can see.
There are more circumstances going on.
No, play.
Yeah, sure.
They have some dialogues. Play here. And now
And
pause it. Pause it.
he
You can
wants.
just
He
no.
wants. Yeah,
No,
say.
now go very now go very slowly by pausing everything. You can see there Thundria, you can see Themyscira, Mars. Just go back in
Dune
this
World.
Dune World. Before that there were Mars, Gotham.
Yeah, I need to show this
Just
to
pause
the thing.
Pause it,
Neptune,
then
Hogwarts,
Hogwarts,
Orbit
Orbit
City,
City. Now play pause. Now look at that
Bedrock.
Bedrock. Gotham.
Gotham.
Look at that, Gotham. Yeah.
Westeros.
Go, pause it again. Yes, pause it again. Yeah, Thundria.
Thundria,
Themyscira on the
Themyscira,
bottom. Yeah, play it again.
Mars.
The
Themyscira.
Mars. Yeah.
And then
now
he was
finally-
selected to go to the Dune World.
And then we will have the
And it was
2D.
nice, it was cool. I mean, the VFX
Yeah.
turn is nice,
this is actually Looney Tunes beginning concept art when the Looney Tunes cartoons used to feature. Now pause it. Now look at the thing here. He drops on the ground and look at the smoke here. It's a basketball
It's
basket.
a basketball
And he
net
put-
and a basketball.
Yeah, he goes. That's a very cool concept here. Now play, and he's back on the Looney Tunes world, the 2D animation
But
world.
as a
from-
cartoon.
Yeah, as a cartoon. And now play it, and he's ridiculously short in height, and now use some of his own techniques to get elongated. And now there is Bug
And
Bunny.
if you
the same
notice
character.
the way that he changed himself,
Yeah.
his
What?
legs, it was taken from the Warner Bros. Cartoon scenes of Tom and Jerry. Tom used to do like this, if you remember, if you have watched it.
Yeah.
So-
Tom actually got squeezed into some short form,
Yes.
and then
He used to
break out.
break out, and he used to get bigger by putting his thumb on his mouth and blowing the air into it. You know.
Here is Bug Bunny, and now Malcolm Dilly, the
Malcolm Dilly.
director, and now pause it here, and you can see here there is written on the right hand side of the very far end.
I
Falcon.
should show
The
this to the
Falcon.
viewers more clearly.
Yeah. Now pause. Yeah, you can see the Wit's Falcon. Wit's Falcon is one of the famous Warner Bros. Franchise from 1970. It's a black and white movie. Black and white movie era verse, and that's very also popular very much. Now
Yeah,
play the video.
it became popular because of Warner Bros. And okay, let's go. I don't want to talk about that right now.
Now pause. Oh my God, you missed the biggest Easter egg.
Yeah.
Pause. Goes play and then pause. Play and pause. Yeah, you can see there. This is Gotham on one side. This is Gotham on one side. You
And
can
this
see
is
the
Metropolis
back
on the other side.
Metropolis and Gotham on the. This is the DC.
This is the
art.
DC verse. Sorry. Oh.
But, so this is our thing in the channel. We all are very much into DC stuffs, and we are very great DC fans. So now play. So now here he wants to gather the team led by Superman, then Gandalf.
So here
from
in this
Lords
part, he wants to gather a team. He wants to make a team to save his son. You know, and in this team we have Superman, Gandalf, King Kong,
and Iron Giant. And I just want to speak. I just want to say something to our viewers that Iron Giant is the best animation movie till date. If you have watched Disney's Frozen and other thing like Smallfoot and different other animation movie, but never watched Iron Giant, then I will say please do watch that movie, because this movie was the finest animation movie any studio have ever produced, Hollywood have ever produced, and Iron Giant is the highest rated animated movie on IMDb. It's 8 out of 10, and we all know that Gandalf is also a very famous character from Lords of the Ring. We can't forget him. And then we have King Kong from Godzilla vs Kong, and then we have
not only Godzilla vs Kong, he's a kaiju.
So there is a team. Now play the video again.
Yeah.
That's Iron Giant. I would definitely like to.
And I am very curious about what is the fifth one, the fifth member of the team. I'm curious to know.
I just want to tell you, Srirup, that you should definitely watch the movie Iron Giant. It's a classic, cult classic.
Yeah, I have not watched it.
Even better than Disney's Frozen. Yeah.
Okay.
So now play again. And now pause. Just go backward and play and pause when the full team of the squad. Now, no. Play.
Yeah.
Play. Pause. Yeah. This is the whole team. You can see Bug Bunny, Donald Duck, Lola Bunny, and other character Granny,
Speedy,
Road Runner,
Willie Cote, Yosemite.
So this is the whole Looney Tune verse. This cartoon used to play on the Cartoon Networks. It's a very nostalgic cartoon because I was very small then. Back when I came back from school in that era during 2000, 2001 to I used to watch these cartoons. These were very childish stuff, but they are very sweet and they are very famous. This cartoon is actually world's first cartoon they have ever designed.
Yeah,
They are the first
cartoon, not animated. Cartoon. This was the real cartoon, which was probably been designed and which is so popular that might no one can get to it.
Actually, popping this Looney Tunes, they have made Mickey Mouse. Disney.
Yeah.
Mouse verse. Yeah. So you can play the video.
Yeah.
Now this pause here, and now the producer there was Ryan Coogler. He was the director of Black Panther.
Yeah, he was the director of Black Panther.
So I'm very much excited to see him as a producer in this. And you can see all the characters here. They are from the Looney Tune verse. Yeah. But I think They are here. They are 3D animations, not the 2D ones. They are here as a 3D animations.
Yeah,
So now play the video again.
sure.
So they have some dialogues here, some fun moments with Donald Duck. Donald Duck was very famous character. Even there are merchandise with Donald Duck printed on it. It's a famous character, Donald Duck, and everyone knows him, Donald Duck. And now this July, yeah, 16 July, we know.
Oh, it was cool. This VFX was cool. This arranging was cool. Yeah.
Go play the video and just pause it now. Just something when I will say you. No, not here, not here. Just go, just play, just play. Just play. Now you can see that's the car of pause. Before the scene, there was a car. That car was Scooby-Doo car. We all know that mystic van. Yeah, that's the car. You can see. Just go behind. Just go behind. Now pause. Yeah, I just missed the car. This is the car.
Wait. I need to do this. Come on. I need to show the viewers. Oh no. It's so bad. Why am I missing this? Yeah, I should probably pause and yeah, the mystery van. I got it.
The mystery van. Yeah, you got it. This is the Scooby-Doo car. You can see also the Scooby's head is out of the window. You can see there. The Scooby's head is out of the window.
Yeah.
So now play the video again. And this is the famous Iron Giant. And he is very famous character. And now pause again. This dragon. Pause. That dragon.
Sorry.
Pause. That dragon is actually from Game of Thrones. He is the dragon, the main character. So now play again. And these are the Hanna-Barbera group. And now the King Kong. This is the King Kong. And one thing, just go behind, just go behind in the Kong scene. Now play. And now pause. Play, pause. Play, pause, play, pause. Just go slow. Pause. Now that's the scene. Where pause there. You can see this aeroplane, the plane. You can see the plane, right? Yeah, this is the plane that Steve uses in Wonder Woman 2017, the first movie. He used this plane to. He used this plane to escape from there. He escaped from there, the German territory, from there. So now,
wow,
play that.
What a spot!
Yeah. Now play that again, and now that's King Kong. And no, wait. This is a wait. This is a very interesting screen. Play, pause, play and pause. Play, pause. Wait. Now this is the very interesting scene. And on the right hand side, you can see Pennywise. Just look on the right hand side.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
That
this
ghost.
One.
That ghost.
Just behind Algorithm, the man in blue shirt. He is Mr. Freeze from Batman 1991 movie. Batman and Robin, I guess the movie's name was.
Yeah.
He is Mr. Freeze.
Yeah.
And then the man with the black goggles on his
black suit and black goggles.
Yeah, he is from Matrix, the Matrix universe.
Oh.
And this monkey on the right hand side at the right bottom, the blue color monkey.
There's a blue color one on the right bottom, above my head.
That monkey is actually also also a famous character. His name is.
And this is Pennywise.
Flying monkey from the Wizard World of Oz. Now play the video again.
Yeah. Wait. Sorry. Yeah.
Now pause. We just missed something there. Just go back and on the last scene, just pause the video. Pause. Now you can see when Algorithm moved away. Look at the man behind him. It's Jason Momoa from Aquaman.
Oh. Nice spot. Nice spot.
Woo! That's Jason Momoa from
Is
Aquaman.
it really?
Yeah, it's actually
At first
Jason
I did
Momoa.
not Catch it up. Okay.
Now
Oh
there
my
is a
god.
scene. Now go.
And
Play the
here
video.
all the superheroes and the
Come
all the
on,
people
play the
from
video.
different multiverse come here, and
Everyone from the Warner Bros. Multiverse are coming together.
yeah,
And now
to
you can
see
see
the
there is
match.
interesting. There is,
And you can
yeah, there is
see
a
that there is a drone or something like hovered thing is
that's all.
flying, and on it is written ALGTV. That means it is
And
also that it also
LGT.
indicates that it is not in any other universe, but it is in the server algorithm
Servers.
server universe. You know,
So now play the video. Now
this was a
you have
nice scene.
okay. Go. And that's the Goon Squad. I don't think, pause the video here. I
Oh,
don't know. Pause. Just go in the yeah, now. Let's after this scene. Just pause. After this scene.
okay.
After the scene. Now pause here. Pause here. There is a big Easter egg here. Big Easter egg. Just look at the man behind the goon in the crowd with purple jacket and purple pants. He is Joker from Batman 65. Look there on the crowd. Right hand side on the crowd.
I
With a
can
hat on
see
his head.
one more thing. Yeah, I know that this is the thing. Guys, here. He is the purple man standing. This
Yeah,
is the
and
Joker.
look on the right hand side. There is the Aquaman's trident.
Yeah,
You can see
I was telling that I can see one more thing, and that is here. Here,
Aquaman,
Aquaman's
Aquaman's
trident.
trident.
Yeah.
And there is also another big Easter egg here, and that one is look at the shark behind there. It's King Shark from Suicide Squad.
Yeah, and I can see one more thing. Can I tell? Yeah.
What's
This,
that?
I think so. This, beside, the Joker on the left side of the Joker, there is Batgirl present. Just
Yeah. I think so. There he is. She is here, but I am not that much confident. Now play the
yeah,
video again. I can see. Yeah. So play the video. Yeah. I think just pause the video. Now I think that instead of introducing the Goon Squad, they should have gone with the Suicide Squad. That can be a more fun. Instead of Goon
yeah.
Squad, they should have gone Suicide Squad. So,
That should have
anyways,
been.
let's play the video. Let's play the video.
Yeah.
So now go. No, there is no Easter egg here.
Yeah.
Now this is full team now of Laura Bunny and other pig, and there is a very nice VFX shot, very colorful one, and she is I think his wife here playing the role of his wife in the movie.
This is a
That woman.
suspense. We have to see who she is, or it can be a friend. Who has just become friends after entering the multiverse, or sorry, the serververse.
However, so now play the video again.
Yeah.
Now
And this was an epic scene, but failed.
Pause. Arey,
Wait,
go
I
back.
know.
Pause. Now you can see here one thing. First of all, you can see this balloon on the left hand side with a boat
Yeah,
floating.
yeah.
Can you remember we used to get these things in the Temple Run game, in the
Yeah,
game.
OZ game.
Temple,
Temple Run
yeah,
OZ.
Temple Run game. That's from the Wizard of the Oz concept. And then just behind the basketball player, you can see the Hogwarts there.
Yeah, the
Hogwarts.
buildings. The Hogwarts building.
Yeah. And then one interesting fact, you can see the Scooby-Doo car here on the left hand side, the Scooby-Doo
Yeah.
van. Scooby-Doo van.
And
And
also,
then,
if you look carefully, you can
my
see just
God,
beside. Yeah, tell.
oh my God, what a thing is there. Just look down from the Scooby-Doo van. On the left hand side, it's the penguin. And
Yeah.
then the Riddler.
Yeah. Yeah.
With the white dress, it's the penguin, and with the black dress, it's the
It's
Riddler.
yeah.
Yeah, and now the most important Easter egg in this scene, the most important one. Just spot that one. There is a water tower. Look at that.
Yeah,
red color, red and
I
yellow.
spotted it. And
it's a Warner Bros. Water tower, the actual water tower. That
yeah,
the
you know,
logo.
if you see any Warner Bros films, you will notice that in the first scene when they you know, the Warner Bros logo comes, before that you can see that the water tower is there,
Water tower.
and on the water tower there is the Warner Bros logo. So yeah, it's cool.
And now I have seen another thing. Just look down from the left hand side. Okay. Now look after Riddler, between Riddler and Penguin, there is one man
Mask.
with yellow color coat. Yeah, mask.
Yeah.
Right. He's very famous character.
The Mask. If guys,
Yeah.
if you have not seen it, just go and watch it. It's you know, it's a funny, interesting thriller. You know, you can watch it. It's nice. It's
Jim
nice.
Carrey.
Right.
Jim
It's
Carrey
nice.
movie.
Uh,
Jim Carrey movie.
the Mask.
Yeah. So there are lots of the characters, but we have missed some of them. So now we will.
Yeah, there
like
are
to play the
lots.
video.
There are lots of characters you can see, and I know no one
If
will,
we,
but
if we have missed some of them,
yeah.
so you can please comment on the comment section and
Yeah,
point
that's
us
the
which
that's
moment
the
you
they
have
will do. That the they will do. But what I'm saying is that I know no one will do, but then also I'm saying it that if you can, then just write in the comments the whole. I mean, just write all the names of the characters present here. You know.
Yeah, guys, be interactive, guys, because we also have a Instagram page of our channel, official
Yeah.
channel Instagram page. So you can join there, you can follow us there, you can chat with us personally. If you have some suggestions, or so you want to be friends with us, you want to know us personally, and even you can. And one thing I just want to say that those people they have followed in the Instagram account. I would also like to request them that guys please come and subscribe to our channel also. That Instagram page is actually for this channel. That's not just an Instagram page. We just use that page to promote our video from this channel. So if you are following us on Instagram, then please do
Check out
subscribe
this.
the channel. Subscribe this channel.
And guys,
Yeah,
please, how many
And
times do we have to tell you? We have the YouTube dashboard, and we
Because
can
you-
see
because
that
you
many
know
of
that
them
we-
you don't. That many of them doesn't survive. More than 60% of the people who watches this channel does not subscribe. We have just
Actually.
hit 1,000, near about 1,000 views on one of our videos, Justice League videos
Yeah.
on our channel, but
Actually, the
no subscription, guys.
videos count was on the last Snyder Cut video was 1K, and that was
Yeah.
very impressive. But the subscriber were only 38. So guys, you are watching the video, you are liking the video, you also there are very less dislike. Most of them are likes, and sometimes few people also interact in the video comment section. But why do you guys don't subscribe? I don't understand, because actually we
It's
are
free, guys.
working.
We are working
We are
hard for
working
you all.
hard. You all, yeah. If
And
you don't support us, then
yeah,
how
then
can we?
get the support? How can we grow? You know, you have to do this.
So now play the video again.
Yeah, sure. I would
Yeah.
I would just like to play the last scene of the video. Yeah.
So now some fun VFX ones, and now pause it again here. Pause
Yeah,
it.
yeah. I saw it. I saw it. Ready, sir? I saw it. Yeah.
Yeah, pause it. So you can see that there are two Easter eggs here. The first one is that the guy with the black T-shirt,
Yeah.
his shirt is actually the basketball court. Just look at that
Yeah.
shirt. The kind of the shirt is basketball court. And then the next one, just look at the. I don't know whether you can watch it or not, or you can find it or not. Just look at the Chinese woman on the behind.
Yeah.
You can see
On the left
She was
side, right?
Chinese-
On the left side.
on the middle, the Chinese woman on the middle.
Oh, behind the black T-shirt boy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That Chinese woman was actually the mother, the foster mother of Shazam, Billy.
Oh yeah.
Billy. So there are lots and lots of. And oh, one thing I just found it. That is baby girl. I think isn't she from Shazam? His sister,
Yeah.
little girl.
No, I'm confused. I need to check this
Yeah.
out.
But
We are not sure,
all in
but
all,
yeah. All in all,
yeah, there are lots of DC Comics reference here. Lots of
yes.
DC Comics reference. So now we will play
Yeah.
again. Just play the video. There you can see the wing from Lola Bunny. That was very, and you can see behind that there is a Eiffel Tower. Just look at that Eiffel
Yeah.
Tower.
And a river is also flowing. You can see under the Eiffel Tower, and that river is River Thames. So it's a fun fact.
No, I don't think that's a river. I think that's the great cannon ground or something like that. There was in USA. I just can't remember the name. That waterfall.
I think so.
In
It's
US,
a river.
Canada. I just forget the name. Anyways, play the video. We will go again. So
This
now,
is an epic scene, man. I
just one. There is also another Easter egg in this thing. Just look at the planet in the sky, visible, not perfectly visible, but transparent.
Yeah, some of the
That's
planets
Gotham.
we can see 3,
Yeah,
and
that's
the right one, the above myself. This
Huh.
planet is of Gotham and Metropolis. You know,
Yeah. And then
DC
another thing, there is,
universe.
you can see King Kong here. You can see in the shot King Kong here. Okay.
Yeah,
And
right.
now,
Yeah.
now most important thing. Just look at the man with yellow cape flying on the
Yeah,
right hand side
I
of the
know,
screen.
I know. Yeah,
That's our man. That's our man.
yeah, I know him. Hey, is that our man? Okay,
Yeah.
I thought something else. I thought that he was the guy from that Toy Story. The
No,
guy who
no, that's a different thing. That's the Disney story. Toy Story is a Disney movie. This is from everything from Warner
Yeah.
Bros. So now play the video again.
Sure.
And there you go down, and there is the tweaking twerk. And then the classic welcome to the Space Jam logo looks fantastic. New Space Jam, New Legacy.
Wow.
And then go. We will play the video.
Oh
No
yeah,
problem.
the last part is there. Yeah.
And now pause.
Oh, he
Pause.
was so fast. I need to watch this again. Yeah, he was so fast.
Pause.
Oh
Pause.
my
Pause.
god.
Oh no! Just pause before this scene. Just pause before this scene
Yeah,
when he
sure.
was down. Pause. Yeah, you can see behind him the full Scooby-Doo character. Scooby on the top, then Velma, then the character. You can see the bus behind him. Scooby-Doo bus.
Yeah.
Can't you see?
Yeah, I
Just
can.
behind.
I can. Here,
Robo.
guys, here. Above him.
Yeah. And those blue people on the left hand side of the screen. Yes. Okay. They are.
Just
they
see it. Here, guys.
Yeah, they are actually from Game of Thrones, as far as I can recall. And then, oh my God, just look at this. Just look at this Falcon. There is Falcon. Just look at the superhero behind white dress people. Just behind white dress people.
Yeah. Oh, where?
Falcon. Look at a blue Falcon with red logo on his chest.
Oh yeah. Here, guys. Guys, here.
Yeah, he is a superhero from Scooby-Doo movie. He was the villain. Not the villain, an anti-hero from the movie. Just the last movie they have released. You can see. So now then play again.
Yeah, sure.
Now play and play. Stop. And here in the background there are also few DC characters, but they are not prominently visible.
Yeah,
but one thing I can see that this is Pennyworth on the left hand side with red dress. This is Pennyworth. Pennyworth, not Pennyworth. It's Pennywise from It.
Yeah. Not Pennyworth, guys.
Yeah,
Pennyworth.
it was my fault. Pennywise. Now play again.
This was amazing. Grandma OP.
Now pause. Now just before one scene, just pause. When she hits the ball, just pause.
Grandma OP in the comments.
Pause. Best. Now look. When the ball hits the ground, look at there. Robin is standing here. Can
Where?
you see?
Oh, guys,
Robin.
you cannot see. I will show you. See here. This is the Robin.
Yeah,
Guys.
Robin from Tim Burton's show, 1966. Yeah.
Nice.
So now play it up here again.
Yeah, playing.
Yeah. So
Senior discount. That was nice.
now this end. So finally, now play the full video Just end
No,
it.
I
Yeah.
should. We should just do it. You know the thing. Okay, yeah, we might play this.
So it was a very long video, a very hectic one also.
Yeah.
For the first time in our channel, we have uploaded something like this, the breakdown and
It was so
the
long. It was 50 minutes, guys.
actually actually I just told Srirup today that I want to do this video
It was
personally
sudden,
because
you know.
I
It
have
was really sudden. We did not do anything. We just came in a Zoom call and just started reacting. This was
yeah,
sudden.
actually we have done this because I have watched the video previously, the
Yeah.
trailer, and I
Yeah.
have just
Yeah.
find out all the DC reference. There was lots of DC reference there. All the DC characters, their images, their themselves, their reaction. There was name reference, there was character reference. So I was a freak that we on the DC universe, we are DC fans. First of all, we everything DC, comics, video game, anything DC related, we just love them. So I just want to do the video for all of you guys. So that reason we have become reacted to this Space Jam New Legacy trailer, and I will definitely like to tell you that we already break down everything and have expressed our thoughts on the
Yeah.
video, and we will just request you guys that please subscribe our channel, please, because we have 1K views in our videos,
Yeah.
700 views,
Really.
500 views, but no subscriber. I don't know what's wrong with you guys, but please subscribe. Just hit the bell icon. If you don't want notification, make the notification as none. There will be no notification. And we always upload one video one day, so there will be nothing. Your notification will be flooded with our video, not like that. So please subscribe our channel, and also if you can go and check out our Instagram channel, DC East Universe, the same name. You can follow us there also. You can talk with us, interact with us personally.
Yeah.
And then I just want to say that please like, share, and subscribe the channel. And
Guys,
please comment.
if you are there to support us, please guys just share the video, and you know, as much as you share, as much as you like, as much as the views get, the video gets recommended by YouTube to everyone, you know, and it helps us a lot.
Yeah. If you
So
guys started to supporting us, if you show your support, if you guys subscribe to our channel, then we will also start to upgrade our channel. We will use YouTube promotion for promote videos so that we can grow as a channel together community. This is not our channel. I think this channel belongs to everyone.
Yeah.
All the 38 subscribers, they are the reason this channel is now still running. They are the main reason. We are a whole community. Even Sridu, me, we all are same in the same community. If you guys also want to join us on the reaction videos, you can also come there. Everyone is welcome. You can comment
yeah,
on the
sure,
video down below.
sure.
You can come and have an interaction. We can have some on the weekdays, on the Saturday, on the Sunday. We can have something to discuss about the future of DC Comics or DCU movies, how they
Yeah.
can canon everything in the multiverse. We can do that thing. So everything depends on you guys, because you are the actually for us, you are the multiverse. If you are open, then we are also on the multiverse, and we can explore
Yeah,
everything.
sure.
So
It's true.
everything. So now I just like to end this here, and I just hope that Sidhu will end this one for us, because I'm
Yeah.
very much tired after whole breakdown.
Yeah, sure. Today till this much, guys. Like, share, subscribe, and comment what next we should react on. And till then, DC forever.
Yeah.